What's the meaning of brute? Brute. Brute.
Brute. Brute. The word brute typically refers to an animal that lacks intelligence or civilized behavior, or to a person who behaves in a savage or uncivilized manner. It can also refer to a physical force that is raw and powerful, lacking finesse or subtlety. The connotation of the term tends to be negative, evoking images of harshness, brutality, and lack of sophistication. In general, the use of the term brute suggests a lack of intelligence, culture, or refinement, and may connote violence or aggression.